All right. This is a mini lab that we do sometimes before the butane lab. For the sake of time and doing this lab, I'm going to kind of just describe it. So what we were going to do is take a graduated cylinder, fill it with water, and invert it into like a 2-liter a cut-off bottle. Now, for the sake of arguments, let's pretend that the water levels are equal. You can see that the water in the tube is the same or at the same spot as the test tube. And let's say that's 80. Now, at diagram 2, we have lifted the test tube or the graduated cylinder, not letting out the water yet, but the water level is higher. Now, what this is Boyle's law. As pressure goes up, volume goes down and vice versa. So the question is, what happens to the pressure? Well, this one, the pressure goes down, so the volume will go up. So let's just say 90, and that is a over-exaggeration of it, but just to get a good idea. Now, this one I like better, and it makes more sense to me because we've pushed it down deep in the water. Think about if you were a scuba diver or in a submarine, what happens to the pressure? The pressure goes way up, so the volume would have to go way down. And if we said our first one was 80, this one would have to be much less than 80. And for the sake of arguments, let's put in 70. So that's a little bit of Boyle's law before we actually start the butane lab.